fish and okra body. This is somebody cassava, the dashing, the dumpling with the cornmeal in it. Whoa, look how your body look like it washed down in a coconut milk. Look on the body, yeah. Look, yeah. Look on the body, yeah.
Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Hi guys.
Tyler, say good morning, faves.
Hi guys.
Oh. Like father, like son, I guess. Hi you guys, how y'all doing this morning, you guys? I can't recall the last time I wear my hair in an afro like this without a headband around it, but let me just give you a little rundown as to why my hair is like this today. These shirts that babe and I are wearing, there we go, we're matching today as usual. But today these shirts are very special. If you're a Jamaican, then you'll understand when I tell you what is written on them. You'll understand why we're wearing these shirts. These shirts is written steam fish and okra body. This shirt is stemming from the last Miss Universe that went on, where there was a Jamaican contestant that she came, I think second or third. I think babe confirmed and says it's third that she came. Yes baby, there's the boss. Yes baby, I see it. She came third in the competition, and in the final she wear her hair in an afro like this. And there's a famous Jamaican ZJ by the name of ZJ Sparks that was commentating on her phone while the girl was walking down the runway during the finals. Yes baby, yes, I saw it. So during the final, when the girl was walking down the runway, her name is Davina, she said she made a commentary about look how our body look good with the steam fish and okra body, and it just become a big sensation back home, where everybody have this catchphrase say, yes goodie, steam fish and okra body. So that's where the steam fish and okra body shirts were created from. And my best friend is a very good friend of ZJ Sparks, and she got these shirts and sent them for me because I've been dying to get a hold of one of these shirts. So they finally arrived in the mail yesterday, and we got to wear them today and take pictures. And I'll insert some pictures to show you the pictures that babe and I took this morning before we left home.
Yes, goodie! Well, steam fish and okra body. This is somebody
In her steam fish and okra body shirt. So I'm imitating the Davina look right now. So I'm wearing my afro, I'm wearing my steam fish and okra body shirt confidently. And the concept between a steam fish and okra body, it doesn't mean that you're slim, it doesn't mean that you're fat, but the catchphrase simply means that you're confident in your own body. Once you are confident in your body, you have a steam fish and okra body. So once you have a steam fish and okra body, comment down below in the comment section and say, yes goodie, steam fish and okra body. Hi. Yes you guys, so it is the weekend and we are on our way to run some errands and enjoy this beautiful day. It's really sunny outside, and we are heading to the fruits and vegetable supermarket first and then continue on from there. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day and as hype and as loud and as excited as I am as usual. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and rock your steam fish and okra body with confidence. Anyway you guys, thank you Sigri, my bestie that sent me the shirt. Thank you so much, and thank you ZJ Sparks. We couldn't have wore these steam fish and okra body shirt if it wasn't for your commentary. So thank you, and thank you Sigri for going the extra mile to send them to us. We love you girl. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Anyway you guys, enjoy today's vlog, and if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the fam bam. Catch up and keep up with us, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. What do you have to say to the faves? Catch up and keep up. What else? Where are you going?
I'm going to the supermarket.
All right. Gummy bear. Love gummy bear. Having debates about tin opener. The tin opener that we have at home, it's rubbish. I can't use it for the love of me, and when baby's not home I have to use knife, so I'm looking for an easier tin opener. He's saying that is because I don't want to learn how to use it, but I'm going to get the one that I want to tell that is me run the kitchen, not him. So whatever Mel wants for the kitchen, Mel gets. Mel buys, okay? Alright, we're at the supermarket picking up goodies. I'm picking up this bread for Tyler, see if he's gonna try to change up his breakfast a bit. Or probably I should choose something else because I know baby's gonna eat off that one, because the favorite bread, that one I just picked up. What happened? Oh no! Yep. I saw a quote this week yesterday on somebody's Instagram, and says that, why do women fight other women when you're in the same business? They said when you need a reminder of why there is space for everybody and everybody can be successful, just go in the supermarket and check the bread aisle, and you see how many brands of bread. And that is so true, so true. There is so many brands of bread in the same place and people buying all those breads. So why is it that other women have to fight other women when there are space for everybody to be successful? Mama. So don't be... Yes, my love.
Look, it's daddy finger.
It's daddy finger. If you do that, it's gonna fall again, and this time it's gonna go in the bin. So I was saying that there's always room for everybody to be successful, just like the bread aisle.
close, people. But slowly.
We're at dinner, you guys. Babe already started eating. Tyler, look! Tyler! Oui.
So,
And then Jen is
Merci.
there.
et je voudrais. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez?
I think virgin colada. Yes, this one.
Yes.
Moi, je vais prendre Monaco en
Hey, 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 look!
Yes.
Babe alone drinking Monaco today. I switch it up today. I'm not having Monaco, I'm having virgin pina colada. Let me taste yours, babe. It's as good as it always is? No.
It's not as sweet as...
No, it don't taste like how it normally tastes.
Je pense que monsieur.
This one,
meilleur celui-là.
Tyler is
No.
already eating. Tyler food is
Oh no, tu
here.
vas pas aimer.
Yes, your Auntie Jen there beside you.
It's like
Yes.
grains of sugar. So I'm just chewing
It's
sugar.
like sugar and
Where
water.
you used to go?
Of course I have. There's no lime. There's a couple of mint pieces.
There's a lime, I see it from
Yeah,
the
but
side.
I don't taste.
Don't touch it, pumpkin. That's mine. A chicken burger I'm having. Don't know why, but trying something new.
I want burger with our bread.
We don't have hamburger.
You hear what he said?
What you say?
Listen.
Cover. Cover, please, Auntie Jen.
So cute.
Yes, baby. Cover.
This is so funny. Come. Come.
Here, look behind you.
We're back with our steamed fish and okra body.
Steamed fish and okra body.
That's going to be the Jamaican expression for today. Steamed fish and okra body. And like I give you guys the expression, the explanation earlier, it simply means that it's a person who is confident in their own body. Meaning you have a steamed fish and okra body. So that's the Jamaican expression for today.
Steamed fish and okra body. Right, and I guess you want to know what is the French expression for today. The French expression would be c'est la fin des haricots. C'est la fin des haricots simply means the end of the haricot. That's how you call haricot in English, haricot? Bean? Ah, sorry, you're gonna have... So simply mean is the end of the bean, the long green bean is the end of it. Simply mean is like the end of the things. There will be no coming back. That's the end. So it's just an expression to say that's the end.
Okay. C'est la fin des haricots.
Good.
Alright, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. And Tella is off to bed and we are tired and heading straight to bed. So if you're new to our channel, welcome to the Steam Fish and Okra Body crew. If you're new to our channel, welcome to the fam bam. Yes, catch up and keep up. Comment down below, subscribe you guys, and turn on your notification. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye guys. By the way, you guys, I'm just coming on to let you guys know that if you guys want to order any of these steamed fish and okra body shirt, I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can know where to order these shirts from.